Hi everyone, it's Marky. Today let's talk about this Gorilla Playset bucket seat. This is for like your home swing set. We bought this for my son. We've had it about 3 years and it has held up great. This is a 50-pound capacity, so it will hold infants and toddlers up to 50 pounds. The seat itself is pretty spacious. It's about 12 inches by 12 inches. Fits little kids really, really well. But they are secure. It does have this high back right here, so they're not gonna fall out backwards. It is also a little bit higher in the front, so they're not gonna fall out forwards either. The chains are plastic coated. That's so the little kids aren't gonna pinch their fingers. It also keeps them cool in the hot summer months, so they're not gonna burn their little fingers on the chain. Like I said, we've had this for like 3 years and we have absolutely loved it. It's comfortable for the kids. The seat is molded really well so that it is comfortable. We just absolutely love it. If you have a swing set at home, I would highly recommend this for anybody who's littler or on the smaller side. It's just perfect. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you.